What's up, guys? We have in these Air Jordan 1 Reimagined in the royal blue colorway. I think a lot of people have different opinions about these, including myself. The suede just really throws me off. So retail, let's even just make sure November 4th is when these are coming out. 8 a.m. as usual, family sizing, $180 retail price point. Inflation, my boy, is coming for us, right? Let's check these bad boys out. Now, right out of the box, one thing you're going to notice is they're extremely vibrant compared to, I'm just going to call them an original Royal. You know, obviously with the leather, we have an all suede upper. And I even want to say that this black is more so like a nubuck. All the blue on the upper has more of that like suede-like texture, very like grainy in a sense. I don't really know the proper terms for it. Nice like sock liner. I always love this. It seems like they're doing that a lot with the newer Jordans. A little more cushion in the ankle. I don't mind. Overall, a lot more loud than your regular Royal. Like, I don't know if the camera is catching just how vibrant these are. Now, one thing you won't have to deal with is that weird like shine that's been happening with all the pairs. This pair is obviously on ice. I think this is back from what the release of 2017. I typically only wear like my 2013 pair if I'm gonna break them out. So not really something that I needed, but wanted to get the review out for you guys. Now, for a lot of people, I think the coolest thing about these shoes is probably going to be the box. You guys can get the details there. Air Jordan 1 Retro High DZ5485042, size 12. It is a cool glossy box. I'm actually really enjoying the kind of the style that Nike's going for on all these Jordan 1 boxes. Not to say they aren't cool, man. It's a nice shoe, but it's just one of those things that I don't necessarily need. I already have two of, I guess you would call the original Royals, the leather pair, and I'm just not feeling the Reimagined. In terms of, I honestly just don't see myself wearing these. I've really been going back and forth with this pair. Like, do I want to keep them? Do I like them? And it's not even on some, oh, there's no hype behind it. It's just more so, I've been very selective with the shoes that I have decided to keep. I love to do these reviews for you guys and just kind of give you my opinion and kind of that first look before the release, before you end up buying them. You know, retail is $180. Honestly, after tax and the way shipping, these companies have been charging shipping, this is running you probably like $200 realistically. And while they are nice, I mean, I love the suede. The quality of the sneaker is very, very good. It's just something more that I would like, if I had a son, I would get for him, or even my wife. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, to me, more of a playful, loud Royal. I'm surprised Nike didn't hit us with, like, you know how they always reverse the names? They really are calling these the Royal Reimagined, and I would have rather seen something similar to the Lost and Founds, like a lost pair of Royal ones that is aged. I really enjoyed the concept that they did with the Lost and Founds in terms of it being a lost pair found from 85. Like, that would have been so dope to see for these, and you know, maybe we'll see something like that, but these are honestly just a pass for me. And it's one of those things, if you like them, 100% grab them. It's a cool shoe. I haven't even had the chance to wear this pair yet, but I mean, your new Reimagined pair is a lot brighter. Obviously, it being suede. They tried more of kind of like a game Royal. And I don't know what it is in terms of the height. It's the exact same height, but a lot of people have even asked me when I did a few videos on Instagram, hey, is that a mid? Like, the shape looks off, but it's not. It's the same exact height, but I think it's more so just the aesthetic of the sneaker that makes it look like a mid. And honestly, I get it. I'm surprised these weren't mid. I would really expected Nike to release this as a mid and then give us a Lost and Found that looks similar to Chicago. I feel like that's what's gonna be on everyone's list of why not to cop these. That's the real problem, is just the suede elements. Now, if you live somewhere warmer, realistically, you'll be fine. Suede is pretty easy to clean if you have a suede brush, and honestly, with the amount of sneakers that I have, I could probably keep these and they wouldn't get too beat up. But why risk it? There's so many other cool shoes that are coming out that these are most likely just gonna collect dust. They also come with a pair of blue laces, which again will just make it look even more kiddish if you added those. Now, some people might like them, man. That's all you. It's your prerogative. This is all my opinion. I think too many people get caught up in like trying to force what they like versus just being open-minded to an opinion, bro. Just because I like them doesn't mean you gotta dislike them. Just because you like them doesn't mean I gotta like them. You know what I'm saying? Like, problem with the sneaker culture, man, everyone is becoming so sheepish in terms of what they do and they don't like. Let's go ahead and throw these on feet. So a little POV action. I know you guys have been digging this. They look good. They look good on feet. You can't go wrong if you like to wear a lot of black. Yeah, I honestly would never put these blue laces in, but if you would, let me know down below. Now, the way I tie my Jordan 1s, I don't always retie them. I just slip them bad boys right on. Got the rag and bone jeans because A lot of y'all hate when I wear oversized, so we're gonna go with the little skinny mini jeans. If you don't have a pair of Royals, definitely don't feel ashamed to grab these. You like what you like. Little POV, way brighter than any Royal I've ever seen. This video should really help you decide if you want them or not. Very good looking statement shoe for sure. You be the judge of if you plan to cop these or not. God damn near dog hair. Just sticks to everything. I'm gonna be honest, if someone spills on these, bro, it's probably RIP. There's just a few like little, honestly, tedious things that, I don't know, you got like some type of OCD, bro, stay far away from these. Even the simplest dust or dirt is it will stick to these, and it's kind of annoying versus leather. For the most part, you can pretty much wipe everything off. The Jordan 1 silhouette is just so clean. Like, you really can't mess it up. And I do like the uniqueness of the suede, but that black will get ashy. That blue will stain. You could always waterproof them though. I mean, I don't really do that much to my sneakers these days, but it's definitely an option. If they're waterproof, then pretty much every concern that I brought up, you don't even got to worry about. But as usual, go true to size. And I think you'll be really happy picking these up. I feel like I got to keep hammering this point, but they're dope, man. They are a cool shoe, just not for me. But as usual, I'd love to hear what you guys think. Are these going to be a cop or a drop? Did you get early access? I'm getting rid of these because I had to pretty much keep these.